Example 4. In the diagram, show that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB and explain your reasoning. So again, if we're trying to prove that two triangles are congruent, we need to show that all of their sides and all of their angles are congruent. So I'm going to start with sides. If I look at my figure, I can say that AB is congruent to DC, and it's because they both have two tick marks. Then I can also say that AD is congruent to BC because they both have one tick mark. They are marked as congruent on the figure. Now, the last side is the side sitting right here, which is DB. So here I can say that DB is congruent to DB, and the reason is because it's the same line. So the same line has to be congruent to itself, and that property is called the reflexive property. So now we've proven that all the sides are congruent, we need to show that all the angles are congruent. So first of all, I know that angle A is congruent to angle C, and the reason is because they both have one tick mark on the picture. Then I can say that angle ABD, so this angle sitting right here, is congruent to angle CDB, and the reason is because they both have two tick marks. Now, the last angle we need is we need this angle and we need this angle. And they're not marked, but we have to prove it. So the way we're going to prove it is because these two lines are marked as parallel. So two parallel lines cut by a transversal, we have alternate interior angles. So now we can say angle ADB is congruent to angle DBC, and the reason is because of the alternate interior angle theorem. And we've shown that all the sides are congruent, we've shown that all the angles are congruent, therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB.